Take command of the road in the 2014 Ram 1500. This four-door, five-passenger truck offers the features and options for which you've been searching. A wealth of standard features mean that you no longer have to sacrifice, like leather upholstery, voice-activated navigation, a built-in garage door transmitter, heated and ventilated seats, front dual-zone air conditioning, rain-sensing wipers, adjustable pedals, and remote keyless entry. Audio features include an AM/FM radio, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 10 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, a security system, an emergency communication system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. For added security, dynamic stability control supplements the drivetrain. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Call now to schedule a test drive.